Hi guys, it's Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this HydroSwell ProLoco Hydration Protein Powder. This is absolutely amazing, not just because the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, or the flavor is pina colada, but everything included in this mix is exactly what you need for your fitness journeys.
The first thing you'll notice when you open your ProLoco to create it is the amazing pina colada scent. It is fantastic and it tastes just as good. So 1 scoop, which is included into 18 ounces of water, and then you shake it up. Shaking is preferred over stirring just to give you a better consistency. You let it sit for 30 seconds to 1 minute just to help the bubbles dissipate, and then you are good to start drinking. So this is where I either pop it in my little collapsible water bottle to take for a run, or if I'm recovering at home or doing a pre-workout drink, I go ahead and I pop it into a glass. I do this just because as much as I love the consistency of the flavor in 18 ounces, I also love it when I put it in with even more water. So I go ahead and I add probably another 18 ounces to this as well, just so I can enjoy it for longer.
So guys, they have worked wonders to get this to be such a smooth drink. I absolutely love it. It's not thick and gloopy, kind of like the protein shakes you can get, but it is definitely on that sports drink level of being a nice clear, more clear kind of liquid, and really a nice texture. So I love it. I think it's fantastic. The taste is amazing, and it has eliminated the need for me to have about 4 or 5 different products to do exactly what this does. So I love it. I think it's great. I highly recommend it. Not only because, like I said, the packaging's great, the flavor's great, but the product itself is phenomenal. I have been using different products similar to this for many years, and once this has come along, I am never going to replace it, and that is the truth. So I love it. It tastes fantastic, but that's just my point of view.